Hi, and welcome to the first in a series of videos about fractions and mastering all that there is about fractions. So today, the first session, this first video is all about the numerator and the denominator. So two words you're going to hear lots and lots when you are working about fractions. So it's really important that you have a good understanding of those. So this is fractions part one. A fraction is an equal part of a whole, and it's really, really important that you understand that it's an equal part. If I put in here and move this line here, we don't have quarters there because those two pieces are not equal to these pieces, so they're not quarters. So I'll just move it back so that it is equal. So you can see this circle here, that's the whole, and we've divided it into four equal parts. Okay, and you can see that one part is shaded, three are not shaded. So our denominator is the number of equal parts in total altogether. So we've got four equal parts, and that's the number on the bottom. Our numerator is one for the shaded, and if we're talking about not shaded, it's three. So we've got 1/4 shaded, 1 out of 4 shaded, and 3 out of 4, 1, 2, 3 out of 4 not shaded. You can see in this circle we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. We've got 3 here shaded, 5 not shaded. So the numerator is the number on the top, the denominator is the number on the bottom, and the number on the bottom is always the number of equal parts. The numerator then, the number on the top, is the parts you need. So if you were being asked what fraction is shaded, look at 3 out of 8 are shaded, okay, which is 3/8. If you're looking at not shaded, how many are left blank? We've got 5 out of 8. Now it's quite common for people to look at that and go, it's 3 out of 5, because there are 3 shaded, 5 not shaded, so it's 3 out of 5. But it's really, really important. The denominator, the bottom number, is always the total number of equal parts, so all together. So let's have a look at this. We've got a fraction of kind of starting to think about fractions of amounts. We've got some coloured circles there. We're going to think about what fraction of the circles are red, what fraction of the circles are blue. So we've got to think about a couple of questions first. So let's just go on to the next one. How many circles are there all together? How many have we got all together in total? And we've got 7 circles all together. So that is going to be our denominator, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 altogether. We've got how many red ones? We've got 4 that are red, and we've got how many that are blue? We've got 3. So 4 and 3 make 7. So we can check that's right. So we've got out of our total of 7, 4 red ones and 3 blue. So now we can go back and answer our question. We've got fraction is 4 out of 7 are red, okay, and 3 out of 7 are blue. So we can just answer that one, and then let's have a think about what fraction of each shape is shaded. So we've got a square here. How many equal parts are there in total for our square here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 1 out of 4 is shaded, so 1, this one is 1/4, 1 out of 4. In this shape we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal parts, and we've got how many shaded? We've got 1, 2, 3, so we've got 3, this one out of 9. And this circle here, we've got how many equal parts? 1, 2, and 1 out of 2 is shaded, which is a half. Put that in. So remember, the denominator is the bottom number, and that tells us how many equal parts there are in total, and then the numerator, the top number, tells us what we need. So whether it's shaded or unshaded, full or empty, all sorts of things like that. So we've got to really think about that equal parts of whole, and the denominator being the total number of equal parts. If you can remember those, they'll really help you as we go through all our work on fractions. Okay, see you next time.